Welcome back, I'm Ryan Bottensek, and today we're going to make Bluefin Tuna Kebabs. Now the first thing you want to do, we've already prepped ahead of time so we'll make it a little quicker, is cut tuna into bite-sized pieces, as you can see in this bowl here. And for the portion size, we probably used about half a pound of tuna. It really depends on how much you want to use, depending on, you know, how many servings of people you're going to serve, stuff like that. So once you've cut your tuna into bite-sized pieces, you want to make a marinade for your tuna. And for that, we already did that as well. You want to mix 1 cup of teriyaki, a half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and then with that marinade, you mix it all together with the tuna that you've already cut up, and you put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. When that's done, actually while you're doing that, if you are using wooden skewers, soak it in water for 30 minutes. Also, for our vegetables that we're going to put on our skewers, we chopped up some bell pepper, red onion, and mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Like I said before, depending on how many people you're going to serve, so on how many skewers you're going to make, is this quantity of how many vegetables you're going to chop up. Now after 15 minutes, you take your tuna out of the fridge and you're ready to put it on the skewers. First, we're going to take a piece of tuna, put it on our skewer, piece of bell pepper, piece of onion, sliding them all down to the end, another piece of tuna, some mushroom, and we'll finish that off with another piece of tuna. There you have it. Now it looks like it's ready for the grill. Our grill is ready. We preheated it to 375 or medium high if you prefer. And we're going to put these skewers on one at a time. Now we're going to let these skewers cook for about 6 minutes, and then we're going to come back with our tongs and we are going to flip them over on the other side. It has been 6 minutes. We're going to go ahead and flip over our kebabs. Using a pair of tongs, they should be pretty hot. For about 6 more minutes, and then they're done. It has been 6 more minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take our kebabs off using a pair of tongs once again. And there you have it. Bluefin Tuna Kebabs. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.